What was the popular style of music in the 1950s known as rock and roll, hip hop, or techno? The great answer is rock and roll. Which war began in 1950? Korean War, Vietnam War, or Gulf War? The great answer is Korean War. Which famous TV show premiered in 1951 starring Lucille Ball, The Twilight Zone, Leave It to Behavior, or I Love Lucy? The great answer is I Love Lucy. Who was the British monarch throughout the 1950s? King Edward VII, Queen Elizabeth II, or King George VI? The great answer is Queen Elizabeth II. What was the name of the treaty signed in 1955 creating a military alliance of Eastern European countries, Warsaw Pact, NATO, or ANZUS? The great answer is Warsaw Pact. Was the famous baseball player who hit his 50th home run in 1955, Mickey Mantle, Babe Ruth, or Ted Williams? The great answer is Ted Williams. Which animated film was released by Disney in 1950? Cinderella, Snow White, or Sleeping Beauty? The great answer is Cinderella. What was the name of the US senator who led the anti-communist hearing in the 1950s? Lyndon B. Johnson, Robert Kennedy, or Joseph M. McCarthy? The great answer is Joseph M. McCarthy. Which car model introduced in 1953 became an iconic American sports car? Chevrolet Corvette, Ford Mustang, or Dodge Charger? The great answer is Chevrolet Corvette. Which major event did Rosa Parks ignite in 1955? March on Washington, Montgomery bus boycott, or freedom rides? The great answer is Montgomery bus boycott. Was the Soviet leader during most of the 1950s Nikita Khrushchev, Joseph Stalin, or Leonid Brezhnev? The great answer is Nikita Khrushchev. What type of hula hoop became a fad in the late 1950s? Wooden, plastic, or metal? The great answer is plastic. What was the popular 1950s toy that allowed children to draw with light bright? It's a sketch or Mr. Potato Head? The great answer is light bright. Which American city hosted the 1950s TV show American Bandstand? Newark, Los Angeles, or Philadelphia? The great answer is Philadelphia. What year did Alaska become a state? 1950, 1955, or 1959? The great answer is 1959. What fashion item became iconic for teenage girls in the 1950s? Bell bottoms, podal skirts, or mini skirts? The great answer is podal skirts. Authored the 1951 novel Catcher in the Rye, J.D. Salinger, Ernest Hemingway, or John Steinbeck? The great answer is J.D. Salinger. Which country did the US sign a ceasefire with in 1953 to end the hostilities? North Korea, Vietnam, or Germany? The great answer is North Korea. What was the first credit card introduced in 1950? Diners Club, American Express, or Visa? The great answer is Diners Club. Which dance craze swept the nation in the 1950s? The Macarena, the Careless Stone, or the Electric Slide? The great answer is the Careless Stone. What fast food chain was founded in 1955 by Ray Kroc, MC Donald's, Burger King, or KFC? The great answer is MC Donald's. Which famous actor known for Rebel Without a Cause died in a car crash in 1955? James Dean, Marlon Brando, or Paul Newman? The great answer is James Dean. What event in 1956 saw the Soviet Union violently suppress a revolt? Hungarian Revolution, Berlin Uprising, or Prague Spring? The great answer is Hungarian Revolution. Started in the 1952 musical Singing in the Rain, Fred Astaire, Jenny Kelly, Frank Sinatra? The great answer is Jenny Kelly. Which country launched its first successful satellite Sputnik 1 in 1957? Soviet Union, United States, or China? The great answer is Soviet Union. Thanks for playing this quiz. Drop in your score in comments, please.